When it comes to professional grooming, the right clipper can completely change the experience. Smooth cutting, strong motor performance, sharp detailing, and long battery life all matter whether you are a barber or someone who prefers clean grooming at home. In this video, we are counting down 5 impressive WMARK hair clippers and trimmers that combine precision, comfort, and reliable performance for every style. Number 5. WMARK NG9213. The WMARK NG9213 is built for users who want clean detailing and sharp finishing performance in a compact trimmer. From beard shaping to lineup work, this model focuses heavily on precision and smooth handling. Its high-performance magnetic motor operates at 9,000 rotations per minute, producing consistent cutting power that performs well on both fine and thick hair textures. The cutting action feels smooth and controlled, which makes detailed grooming much easier. One of the strongest features is the DLC-coated T-blade combined with a ceramic moving blade. This combination keeps the blade sharp for longer while also reducing friction and heat during long grooming sessions. The zero-gapped blade design allows extra close cutting, making it perfect for edging, outlining, and detailed finishing work. Even during close trimming, it remains gentle on the skin and avoids unnecessary irritation. The lightweight ABS body also deserves attention because it keeps the trimmer comfortable to hold during precise work. Its ergonomic shape improves grip control, especially when creating sharp lines around the beard or hairline. Battery performance is reliable as well, thanks to the 1400 mAh lithium battery that delivers up to 60 minutes of cordless use after a full charge. The Type-C charging option adds convenience and modern compatibility. The package includes guide combs, cleaning tools, oil, and charging accessories, making it a practical option for beginners and professionals alike. For anyone searching for an affordable finishing trimmer with strong precision and comfortable handling, the WMARK NG9213 delivers excellent value. Number 4. WMARK NGX1. The WMARK NGX1 is designed for serious cutting performance and stands out as one of the fastest clippers in this lineup. Powered by an ultra-high-speed motor reaching 10,000 rotations per minute, this clipper handles thick, dense, and coarse hair with impressive ease. It cuts quickly without dragging or slowing down, which makes it especially useful for busy barbershop environments where speed and consistency matter. Its diamond-like carbon-coated blades are another major advantage. These blades resist wear, stay sharp longer, and reduce friction during extended use. Less heat buildup means a more comfortable experience for both the barber and the client. The precision click-lock taper lever also gives excellent cutting control with adjustable lengths from 1 to 5 mm. This makes fading, blending, and detailed styling feel much smoother and more accurate. Battery performance is also strong. The 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery delivers up to 150 minutes of cordless runtime, giving users enough power for multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. The charging dock keeps the clipper secure and organized while ensuring it is always ready to use. Its metal and ABS construction creates a durable yet balanced feel in the hand. Even during long cutting sessions, the ergonomic design helps maintain comfort and control. Magnetic guide combs and extra accessories further improve versatility for different hairstyles and lengths. Overall, the WMARK NGX1 combines speed, cutting precision, and durability in a professional-grade package. It is a powerful choice for users who want strong motor performance and dependable long-term reliability. Number 3. WMARK 8004 and 8204. The WMARK 8004 and 8204 kit offers a balanced combination of power, flexibility, and modern convenience. This professional clipper set is designed for users who need reliable cutting performance for different hair types and grooming styles. Both models feature DLC-coated blades paired with ceramic moving blades, helping deliver smooth cutting with reduced heat and long-lasting sharpness. The 8004 model is the more powerful option in the pair. It features a brushless motor operating between 8,000 and 9,000 rotations per minute, making it highly effective for thick or heavy hair. The cutting feels strong and consistent even during demanding use. Meanwhile, the 8204 provides a slightly lighter cutting experience with speeds ranging from 7,500 to 8,000 rotations per minute. This makes it ideal for regular grooming tasks and lighter trimming work. One feature that truly improves convenience is the wireless magnetic charging dock. It keeps both clippers secure while maintaining a clean and professional setup. The 8004 provides up to 180 minutes of runtime, while the 8204 delivers around 120 minutes. LED displays on both devices clearly show battery levels and speed settings, allowing better control during grooming sessions. The semi-transparent magnetic cover design also adds a modern appearance while making maintenance easier. Multiple guide combs increase styling flexibility for fades, blends, and everyday cuts. What makes this kit especially appealing is the balance between professional performance and user-friendly operation. Whether used in a salon or at home, the WMARK 8004 and 8204 combination delivers strong cutting efficiency, smooth handling, and practical features that improve the overall grooming experience. Number 2. WMARK NG8613. The WMARK NG8613 is a complete grooming kit built for users who want both power and versatility in one package. Including both a clipper and trimmer, this set handles everything from full haircuts to detailed finishing work with impressive consistency. The overall design feels premium and durable, making it suitable for professional barbers as well as serious home users. Both tools use DLC-coated blades combined with ceramic moving blades, delivering sharp cutting performance while reducing friction and heat. The clipper features a dual-speed motor ranging from 7,500 to 8,500 rotations per minute. This allows smooth cutting through thick hair without snagging or pulling. The trimmer also includes adjustable speed settings, giving users precise control for outlining, beard shaping, and edge detailing. The fade fixed blade design helps create clean blends and smoother transitions during fading work. Its full metal body adds durability and gives the kit a solid premium feel, though it does make the tools slightly heavier compared to plastic models. Even so, the ergonomic design helps maintain comfortable handling during longer sessions. Battery performance remains dependable with the clipper using a 2,500 mAh battery, and the trimmer using a 1,400 mAh battery. Both provide around 120 minutes of cordless runtime. Charging flexibility is another advantage because users can choose between the charging base or the Type-C cable option. Magnetic guide combs and included accessories improve versatility for different hairstyles and grooming preferences. Overall, the WMARK NG8613 stands out as a reliable all-in-one grooming kit with strong cutting power, durable construction, and excellent flexibility for both professional and personal use. Number 1. WMARK NG8632 Kit. The WMARK NG8632 kit takes the top spot because it delivers premium performance, strong durability, and excellent versatility in a complete grooming package. This professional set includes both a clipper and trimmer designed to handle everything from bulk hair removal to precise detailing with impressive smoothness and control. Both tools are powered by high-speed motors running at around 9,000 rotations per minute. The performance feels strong and efficient, especially when cutting thick, curly, or coarse hair. Even during extended use, the operation remains relatively quiet and comfortable, making it ideal for professional salon environments where continuous performance matters. Blade quality is another major highlight. The clipper uses a stainless steel fade blade while the trimmer features a DLC-coated blade. Both are paired with ceramic moving blades that reduce friction and heat while maintaining sharp and consistent cutting performance. This combination creates clean fades, sharp outlines, and detailed finishing results with minimal effort. The zinc alloyed body gives the kit a premium appearance while also improving durability against scratches and daily wear. Although the tools are slightly heavy for beginners, the ergonomic design helps reduce wrist fatigue and improves grip control during long sessions. Battery life is excellent. The clipper delivers up to 180 minutes of runtime, while the trimmer reaches up to 240 minutes on a full charge. Type-C charging support and LED battery indicators add modern convenience and better usability. With multiple guide combs, spare blades, and maintenance accessories included, this kit feels complete right out of the box. For users wanting professional-level cutting power, premium construction, and long-lasting performance, the WMARK NG8632 kit easily earns the #1 position. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best WMARK hair clippers and trimmers. Each model offers something unique, from precision detailing to powerful professional cutting performance. Share your favorite in the comments, and do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more grooming reviews and top product rankings.